What is neurographic line and why is it so important? The neurographic line, also called neuroline, is the core of Neurographica, and it has two key features. It never repeats itself along any part of its path, and it goes where you don't expect it to go. This makes the neuroline looks very unique, flowing, dynamic, and organic, much like shapes we find in the nature. When we draw a neurographic line, we deliberately redirect it over and over, making it slightly different from what our hand would instinctively do. And it's like the tiny and playful battle with your brain. Each small turn is a moment of choice. Each choice is a shift in how you think. And with every curve and redirection, you're building new neural pathways, shaping a fresh mindset, and ultimately you are creating a new life. Thank you for watching. Much more to come, so stay tuned.